Hey guys, this is Kyle with the Spotted Dog. I thought I might make a little video to show you about the use and functionality of suppressors. One of the great things about shooting with suppressors is you don't have to use hearing protection. I've got here a Tactical Solutions suppressor mounted to my Savage rifle. So let's see what it sounds like. But now let's take a couple shots without the suppressor and let you hear what that sounds like. You can see a dramatic difference in the volume.